The length of a rectangle is 4 centimeters longer than the width and the perimeter is 96 centimeters. How many square centimeters are there in the area of the rectangle? We know the formula to get the area of the rectangle, that is length times width. Okay, now to get the area of the rectangle, we need the length and width. We have to find the length and width using the given information. That is the length of the rectangle is 4 centimeters longer than the width and the given perimeter 96. Okay, let me assume the width of the rectangle as x. Let me write it. The width of the rectangle equals to x. Then what is the length of the rectangle? According to this information, the length of the rectangle is 4 centimeters or longer than width. That is the length equals to x positive 4. Here I got the length and width of the rectangle in terms of x. Now let's consider the given perimeter. Perimeter equals to 96. There is a formula to get the perimeter of the rectangle. That is 2 times length positive 2 times w equals to 96. Here all the three terms are multiples of 2. Let's divide all the three terms of this equation by 2. Let me do it. Then this 2 will cancel out. Here 2 will cancel out. We have L positive W equals to, when I divide 96 by 2, I am getting 48. Now let's plug in this x for W and x positive 4 for L. Then we get x positive 4 positive x equals to 48. Let's solve for x in this equation. Okay, when I combine the like terms, so that is x and x, I'm getting 2x. We have 2x positive 4 equals to 48. Let's subtract 4 from both sides of this equation. This positive 4, negative 4 will cancel out. I'm getting 2x equals to, when I subtract 4 from 48, I'm getting 44. Let's divide both sides of the equation by 2. This 2 will cancel out. I'm getting x equals to 44 divided by 2 is 22. Here I got the value of x. Okay, here the width of the rectangle is 22. When I plug in 22 for x over here, and the length of the rectangle is 22 positive 4, that is 26. Okay, now we have the length and width of the rectangles are 26 centimeters and 22 centimeters respectively. Now we can find the area of the rectangle. The formula is, as I said earlier, that is length times width. Here the length is 26 and the width is 22. Let's multiply this 26 and 22. Okay, here when I multiply this 26 by this 2, I am getting 52. Again, we have to multiply this 26 by this 2, 52. Let me write out here. 2 5 positive 2 is 7, and here 5. I got the area of the rectangle, that is 572 square centimeters. We find 572 in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.